Hello. ChatGPT now does more than just answer your prompts. There's a new feature that OpenAI has announced that I would like to go over called Deep Research. And, well, I'll go ahead and go over this, how they announce it on their website. But this is an exciting development because you can have ChatGPT go out and do and compile reports for you and do extended research where it does not time out in just a few moments, but it actually takes minutes to go and search the internet and compile research for you. So, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get started. And so, what we have here today is the announcement article for Deep Research, and it says Introducing Deep Research, an agent that uses reasoning to synthesize large amounts of online information and complete multi step research tasks for you. It's available to pro users today, Plus and Team next. So, right now, you can access it if you're a pro user, but soon they will be releasing it for Plus and Team members. And remember, Plus is the $20 a month, and the Pro is the $200 a month. Alright, so let me actually have it tell us what this is all about while we listen here.
Introducing Deep Research, an agent that uses reasoning to synthesize large amounts of online information and complete multi-step research tasks for you. Available to pro users today, Plus and Team Next. Today, we're launching Deep Research in ChatGPT, a new agentic capability that conducts multi-step research on the internet for complex tasks. It accomplishes in tens of minutes what would take a human many hours. Deep Research is OpenAI's next agent that can do work for you independently. You give it a prompt, and ChatGPT will find, analyze, and synthesize hundreds of online sources to create a comprehensive report at the level of a research analyst. Powered by a version of the upcoming OpenAI o3 model that's optimized for web browsing and data analysis, it leverages reasoning to search, interpret, and analyze massive amounts of text, images, and PDFs on the internet, pivoting as needed in reaction to information it encounters. The ability to synthesize knowledge is a prerequisite for creating new knowledge. For this reason, Deep Research marks a significant step toward our broader goal of developing AGI, which we have long envisioned as capable of producing novel scientific research. Why we built Deep Research? Deep Research is built for people who do intensive knowledge work in areas like finance, science, policy, and engineering, and need thorough, precise, and reliable research. It can be equally useful for discerning shoppers looking for hyper-personalized recommendations on purchases that typically require careful research, like cars, appliances, and furniture. Every output is fully documented, with clear citations and a summary of its thinking, making it easy to reference and verify the information. It is particularly effective at finding niche, non-intuitive information that would require browsing numerous websites. Deep Research frees up valuable time by allowing you to offload and expedite complex, time-intensive web research with just one query. Deep Research independently discovers, reasons about, and consolidates insights from across the web. To accomplish this, it was trained on real-world tasks requiring browser and Python tool use, using the same reinforcement learning methods behind OpenAI o1, our first reasoning model. While o1 demonstrates impressive capabilities in coding, math, and other technical domains, many real-world challenges demand extensive context and information gathering from diverse online sources. Deep Research builds on these reasoning capabilities to bridge that gap, allowing it to take on the types of problems people face in work and everyday life. How to use Deep Research. In ChatGPT, select Deep Research in the message composer and enter your query. Tell ChatGPT what you need, whether it's a competitive analysis on streaming platforms or a personalized report on the best commuter bike. You can attach files or spreadsheets to add context to your question. Once it starts running, a sidebar appears with a summary of the steps taken and sources used. Deep Research may take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes to complete its work, taking the time needed to dive deep into the web. In the meantime, you can step away or work on other tasks. You'll get a notification once the research is complete. The final output arrives as a report within the chat. In the next few weeks, we will also be adding embedded images, data visualizations, and other analytic outputs in these reports for additional clarity and context. Compared to Deep Research, GPT-4o is ideal for real-time, multimodal conversations. For multifaceted, domain-specific inquiries where depth and detail are critical, Deep Research's ability to conduct extensive exploration and cite each claim is the difference between a quick summary and a well-documented, verified answer that can be usable as a work product. How it works. Deep Research was trained using end-to-end reinforcement learning on hard browsing and reasoning tasks across a range of domains. Through that training, it learned to plan and execute a multi-step trajectory to find the data it needs, backtracking and reacting to real-time information where necessary. The model is also able to browse over user-uploaded files, plot and iterate on graphs using the Python tool, embed both generated graphs and images from websites in its responses, and cite specific sentences or passages from its sources. As a result of this training, it reaches new highs on a number of public evaluations focused on real-world problems. Humanities Last Exam. On Humanities Last Exam, a recently released evaluation that tests AI across a broad range of subjects on expert-level questions, the model powering deep research scores a new high at 26.6% accuracy. This test consists of over 3,000 multiple choice and short answer questions across more than 100 subjects, from linguistics to rocket science, classics to ecology. Compared to OpenAI o1, the largest gains appeared in chemistry, humanities, and social sciences, and mathematics. The model powering deep research showcased a human-like approach by effectively seeking out specialized information when necessary. Gaia. On Gaia 1, a public benchmark that evaluates AI on real-world questions, the model powering deep research reaches a new state-of-the-art, SOTA, topping the external leaderboard. Encompassing questions across 3 levels of difficulty, successful completion of these tasks requires abilities including reasoning, multimodal fluency, web browsing, and tool use proficiency. Expert-level tasks. In an internal evaluation of expert-level tasks across a range of areas, deep research was rated by domain experts to have automated multiple hours of difficult manual investigation. Limitations. Deep research unlocks significant new capabilities, but it's still early and has limitations. It can sometimes hallucinate facts in responses or make incorrect inferences, though at a notably lower rate than existing ChatGPT models, according to internal evaluations. It may struggle with distinguishing authoritative information from rumors, and currently shows weakness in confidence calibration, often failing to convey uncertainty accurately. At launch, there may be minor formatting errors in reports and citations, and tasks may take longer to kick off. We expect all these issues to quickly improve with more usage and time. Access. Deep research in ChatGPT is currently very compute intensive. The longer it takes to research a query, the more inference compute is required. We are starting with a version optimized for pro users today, with up to 100 queries per month. Plus and team users will get access next, followed by enterprise. We are still working on bringing access to users in the United Kingdom, Switzerland, and the European Economic Area. All paid users will soon get significantly higher rate limits when we release a faster, more cost-effective version of deep research, powered by a smaller model that still provides high-quality results. In the coming weeks and months, we'll be working on the technical infrastructure, closely monitoring the current release, and conducting even more rigorous testing. This aligns with our principle of iterative deployment. If all safety checks continue to meet our release standards, we anticipate releasing deep research to Plus users in about a month. What's next? Deep research is available today on ChatGPT Web, and will be rolled out to mobile and desktop apps within the month. Currently, deep research can access the open web and any uploaded files. In the future, you'll be able to connect to more specialized data sources, expanding its access to subscription-based or internal resources, to make its output even more robust and personalized. Looking further ahead, we envision agentic experiences coming together in ChatGPT for asynchronous, real-world research and execution. The combination of deep research, which can perform asynchronous online investigation, and Operator, which can take real-world action, will enable ChatGPT to carry out increasingly sophisticated tasks for you. Update on February 5th, 2025. Deep research is now available to pro users in the United Kingdom, Switzerland, and the European Economic Area.
Okay, so that's what is all about the deep research feature with OpenAI. And yeah, it's early on, and it should be available in about a month to Plus users that they were saying. And yeah, what will you guys use this feature to do? Let me know in the comments. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.